"98 nations competed in the 1995 Judo Championships in Shiba, Japan. In 1997, 110 countries were present at the Paris Championships. Since the 1992 Barcelona Olympic Games, Judo has ranked second amongst the most universal sports and has been watched by a large number of television viewers. It means that, at the present time, millions of people practice or have practiced this activity throughout the world. In the beginning was the word of Jigoro Kano, giving a lesson in his dojo at Kodokan. Touching pictures. The whole story could be summed up as follows. A frail young man, because he was bullied by his comrades, took upon himself to become a master in the art of unarmed combat, as it was practiced by the samurai. Judo was born.
Le fondateur du judo, Jigoro Kano, maître Jigoro Kano, était un être exceptionnel.
The founder of judo, Jigoro Kano, master Jigoro Kano, was an exceptional human being. It's true that he was a man of the 19th century, but his ideas were quite modern. He was a brilliant scholar, an intellectual who had earned a reputation in the Japanese society. He was a prominent member, that is, he held a high position at the imperial court. He was dean of the Teachers' Training College. First, he strove for the creation of an attractive method of physical education. For doing so, he took some techniques from the jujitsu, the art performed by the warriors, and created judo. He also struggled in order that Japan become a member of the International Olympic Committee, and he was himself the first Japanese to belong to this committee.
The Kano method, which at first had to impose itself against other schools of jiu-jitsu in memorable contests, became compulsory in all Japanese schools. Here, filmed in 1907, is a demonstration performed by Master Kano in front of the Emperor of Japan. Judo, as Kano saw it, was a complete educational method on the art of making the most of one's energy, and what was learned on the mat should also serve in everyday life. Teachers were trained at Kodokan, the place where wisdom, or it could be said, where life was taught. A demonstration by Kano's pupils, Nagaoka and Mifume, for instance, shows that from the start, yesterday's judo contained the judo of today. It was up to the pupils who had become masters to spread judo abroad.
La diffusion du judo et sa promotion est assez originale.
The way judo expanded and gained a worldwide popularity is rather unusual. It is indeed quite extraordinary. It's one of the rare, perhaps even the only example of a sport, I think, which developed in Asia. And from the beginning of the 20th century, as soon as 1910, 1915 in Europe, a certain number of judo teachers